Hey everyone, welcome to Soap Trend. We hope that everybody is doing well. We have some news to share with you all in today's video. Today, we are going to talk about one of our favorite characters from our favorite TV series Heartland. What actually happened to Ty Borden? The fans were left shocked as Ty Borden unexpectedly died in season 14's opening episode on Heartland. So do watch this video till the end to know everything. Since 2007, viewers have been tuning into Canadian television series Heartland for their weekly dose of entertainment, of family drama and romance against the backdrop of a sprawling and picturesque ranch. Completing its 14th season, CBC's Heartland is one of the longest-running drama series on TV. As a result, fans have grown hugely attached to the show's various characters, and when a cast member leaves, it can be an incredibly tearful moment. That's exactly the case that Heartland fans met with. Many fans anticipated that they would see other storylines flourish, with the steadiness of Amy Fleming and Ty Borden serving as an anchor for other characters. But when season 14 got underway on January 10, 2021, the show's leading character Ty Borden unexpectedly bid farewell to the show. The character Ty Borden, played by Graham Model, has been a major part of the storylines of the Canadian Broadcasting Corporation's drama. Since the pilot episode when he drives his pickup truck, complete with loud music, too close to teenage Amy Fleming, played by Amber Marshall, and best friend Soraya, played by Greta Onyogu, and their horses, startling them. He's on his way to the Heartland Ranch to start a probationary period working for her family. Over the next 14 seasons of the longest-running series, Ty and Amy's relationship becomes the heart of the Heartland, propelling the series to become the longest-running one-hour Canadian drama in history. The interaction between the two characters have their ups and downs, but they ultimately get married, to the delight of fans. At the end of season 8 in the episode, Written in Stone, as all of us can imagine, the slow burn of that romance attracted thousands of viewers. But if you are the one who had just started watching Heartland again, you may notice one of the biggest absences, that Ty is no longer in the series. So what actually happened to Ty anyway? Will he ever make a return? Ty suffered complications from a gunshot wound and died in season 14. Heartland is normally a feel-good family show known for its expansively beautiful Canadian scenery, warmth, horses, and not to mention the fact that it's been able to retain most of its main cast since the beginning, which is rare for such a long-running series. But at the beginning of season 14, fans were left shocked when Ty was killed off. He and Amy had been shot at the end of season 13, and while they both seemed to recover, but veterinarian Ty suffered from complication, which was a blood clot that took his life in the premiere episode of the 14th season. It was such a seismic shock for all the Heartland fans that some of them have declared on Reddit that the show is dead now. In the comments to the Calgary Herald, Amber Marshall seemingly agreed that Ty's death will be hard for fans to take. Death is something that impacts all of us at some point in our lives, she said. To see this widowed mother find the strength and courage to move forward for her daughter and really think about what's best for the family around her, and to come together and be that support, I think is so important. And to know that it isn't easy. There's nothing easy about death, and it shouldn't be. But to honor that person and that person's journey, and by moving forward and living his day, is the best way that you can. But why did Ty have to go? Well, that was the choice of Graham Model, the actor who played Ty on the show. If you want to know the reason why he left the show, you can check out the video that is posted on our channel. Many international fans of the show haven't even had a chance to experience Ty's earth-shattering departure, as Netflix hasn't started streaming season 14 yet. Watson Netflix reported in June that American gospel-based cable channel UPTV has an exclusive streaming deal for Heartland that goes through March 2022. Those who prefer to access the show only on Netflix possibly won't get a chance to see Ty's final episode. Keep me in your heart until then. So this much for today's video. We hope you liked it. We will deliver more news of Heartland as it comes in. We will have all the burning Heartland spoilers, updates and news you're looking for. So visit us regularly. Thank you for checking this video out. We will see each other very soon with another video. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. If you have anything to say, do let us know in the comment section below. We'll make sure to reply to your comments.